AI na? Ikaw pa rin? Papalitan na ba ako ng AI? Ganito rin ba ang tanong mo, anak? Do you panic when you realize that AI is here to stay? It's a question that many business owners have. Hindi lang sa mga tech companies, hindi lang sa mga malalaking negosyo. Kahit na sa negosyo mong pinaghirapan mo na ng matagal, may kaba ka rin ba? 'Di ba, anak? Maraming beses ko na itong nakita tuwing may mga malalaking pagbabago sa negosyo. May panahon na takot ang lahat sa internet, sa online shopping, sa cashless payments. Alam mo ba, pinagdaanan ko to. At sa bawat pagbabago, may mga negosyong hindi nakakasabay. Pero mas marami ang natututong mag-adjust at lalo pang lumalago ang negosyo nila. So before you worry too much, tanungin mo muna ang sarili mo. Naiisip mo na ba na baka ang product mo or ang service mo ay kayang gawin ng AI ng mas mura, mas mabilis pa? Have you noticed your income going down while your expenses keep going up? And you are wondering how long you can keep this going. O baka naman, naghahanap ka na ng ibang direksyon. Hindi dahil sa gusto mo, kundi dahil natatakot kang mawala ang lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Anak, if those questions felt too familiar, that already tells us something important. Because ito yung katotohanan. Ang problema ay hindi AI. It is not the technology. It is not the competition. The real question is, was your business built to adapt when everything around it starts to change? May nagtanong sa akin na business owner who works as a video editor for a US-based client in the wedding industry. Sabi niya, Mami N, 4 na taon na kaming ng client ko. Pero lately, our income has been going down. Apektado kami ng AI. Tumataas ang expenses, tumataas ang sahod, pero ang income pababa ng pababa. And for the past 2 years, I've been trying to look for another business. Pero wala pa rin akong mahanap, Mami N. Takot ako na baka mawala na ang business namin. Naintindihan ko siya dahil valid naman yung kanyang fear. But before you jump into another business, may 5 bagay muna na kailangan mong marinig. Number 1, yung mga bagong tools, they change the way business is done. Hindi agad pinapalitan ang tao. Number 2, AI can automate tasks but it cannot replace human experience and genuine connection. Number 3, personal service will always have value kapag may tiwala at relationship. Hindi basta napapalitan. Number 4, the business owner who learns to use AI will always go further than the one who fears it. And number 5, the real question is not, will my business disappear? Ang tunay na tanong is, am I willing to upgrade? Remember, let's be business-minded, Pinoy. Still doing everything yourself because you just can't trust anybody else to get it right? Anak, ang problema hindi yung team mo. It's that no one ever showed you how to grow them. Grow Your People Pinoy is a book that gives you a simple step-by-step framework for hiring, training, and leading a team that actually works. Without the burnout, the drama, or the endless, sige na, ako na lang. Because your business will only grow as much as your people do. Kaya get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.